Hi, welcome to Doris. In case if you're new here, I'm a mama four, and this is my weekly reset. My weekly reset is just when I just reset at the end of the week and prep for the new week coming up. So what I do for my weekly reset, I just call about anything I need to be catch up on, such as my laundry. I've been taking CNA classes, and it takes 3 days out of the week. It's required for my nursing school that I'm starting in January, and because of that, I have not been able to keep up my laundry schedule. My laundry schedule just consists of me washing laundry every night and then folding it in the morning when I come from work, and then the kids put it away. But because the schedule's been crazy with my work and everything else, I have been behind laundry, so I'm just catching that up. And right here, I had to do 4 loads of laundry. So what I do for my weekly checking is I do my meal planning. I prep my meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and both snacks for the week. I do my homeschool planner. I do my daily planner, and I just look around the house to see what needs to be done. This is when I would deep clean the house, look at the kids' schoolwork, and see if we need to catch up with anything, or just do anything I can do to make the coming a week a little bit easier. Now, let's look at what we're going to be eating for dinner for the next week coming on. This is a pudding I'm making. It is made from tofu, cacao powder, maple syrup, and chia seed. It's just a little snack to help sweeten the sweet craving I've been having lately. And then this is just a mushroom stroganoff. I'm either gonna have it with rice, potato, or pasta throughout the week. But right now it seems we're gonna have a baked potato. And the next thing on there is my snack. I'm just making some chocolate chip muffins, and these are very easy to make. It just helped me control my budget and have a healthier snacks for the kids throughout the week. If you homeschool, you know the important it is to have snacks. The next thing on my list is another dinner item. This is a brown rice bowl, and it just have brown rice and veggie on it. With this one, I'm doing the brown rice, some kale, and then I'm putting some chickpeas in there as well and some carrot. Whenever it's ready to eat, we're going to cut up some avocado, and then whatever dressing, most likely Italian dressing or avocado dressing is going to go on top, and that is done for that meal. And the next meal on here, it is just going to be cabbage stew. It's based on a Liberian dish, but this one is different since it's vegan. It doesn't have any kind of fish or meat in it. You just have tofu, cabbage, and some seasoning, and we're going to put that on rice. The next dish up here is butter cauliflower. It's going to be eaten with either rice or naan. And then the leftover cauliflower, I just use that to make Italian based Alfredo sauce, vegan Italian based Alfredo sauce. And then we're going to eat that with some Italian bread on the side. And then that day for dinner will be done. And then next thing up here is the only breakfast I know how to make. This is the oatmeal crumbles. So I just have 2 cups of oatmeal, my favorite protein powder because this is non-sweetener. Mix that in with full scoop. And then for the base, for the apple, I just have 36 ounce of mixing jars of cut out apple that I put in my baked dish with a little bit of cinnamon on top, and then put some maple syrup and just mix that up. And then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the oatmeal topping on top. But before I do that, I need to mix the oatmeal with a little bit of liquid. So here you can use either water, but I decided to do milk to mix it up, and just want to have like a paste. You don't want to be too watery, too dry. You just want some liquid in there, so it's not just oatmeal on top of what you're doing, and it help mix the protein with the oatmeal. I'm just gonna spread it on top and just bake it in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how high you have your oven. I bake this at 350. And then for breakfast, we are just going to put yogurt on top. We have some coconut yogurt and almond yogurt we're gonna put on top. I made this before and I put ice cream on top of it, and it was really good dessert item. But I want to move that into having it in my rotation for my breakfast item. Thank you for watching the video and have a blessed day.